So, are you thinking about buying a luxury property on the Central Coast here in California? Well, today we're in Pismo Beach, California. I'm going to show you this beautiful house on Indio Drive in Shell Beach. This is a $5.5 million home on a beautiful property. It's a 1962 house. But what we're going to do is we're going to walk through and just show you what $5.5 million gets you in Pismo Beach, and we're going to get after it right now. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos about moving or selling here to the Central Coast of California. My name is Bruce Carson. I'm with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. And I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you looking to move to the coast every single day, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, it doesn't matter to me. I'm here to help. So again, $5.5 million, Pismo Beach, California. Let's go take a look. The house was built in 1962. It's about 2,600 square feet. And you can see that it's all about the views and the windows. It's light and bright. We did go ahead and turn the lights on today because this is a kind of a typical marine layer day here on the coast, but that's okay. Can you imagine relaxing with your friends and family with this kind of a view upstairs? We have a fireplace up here. There's a fireplace downstairs as well. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So this house, again, it's 1962, but it's been modernized with modern LED lighting throughout and lots of new touches. So it doesn't feel, smell, or sound like a 1962 house. It's very quiet. I can't hear the waves, but I know they're happening out there, and we're going to see or hear them soon. So take a look at this kitchen. Great for entertaining. There's enough elbow room and space where more than one person could be in here cooking dinner. And then of course you have your ample, gorgeous views. We have an island out there and the ocean, but you could be entertaining, talking to everyone while you're in here in the kitchen, cooking on your nice electric stove. Nice touches throughout with our stainless steel appliances. So let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So we're upstairs. This is our main level master ensuite room. Nice and big. I mean, incredible views throughout. Now it's kind of hard to keep these windows clean because of the salt water, and the waves are right down below. So we have a lot of salt floating around through the air. So it's a little challenging. Sorry the windows aren't as clean as they could be, but doesn't really matter. We're wrapped around with a deck out here and a slider to go out and enjoy that fresh air. Can you imagine sleeping in this room and listening to the waves with this door open? Truly incredible. We have a built-in drawers and storage here, and then we have the ensuite bathroom. And this is cool because the closet is attached to the bathroom here, and then we go down, we have our step-in shower, nice and spacious. So we are going to head downstairs. We have a cool spiral staircase here that goes down from the middle of the house. Our garage is this way. You don't need to see the garage. We have garage, laundry. I'll see you downstairs. So we're downstairs in kind of a second living room area. We have another fireplace, and then of course more windows showing the beautiful Pacific Ocean. We actually have a boat out there. We don't see that very often here on the coast. This downstairs area is great. Again, if you're entertaining and you have a lot of people coming to visit, this house is kind of split in two. So what I would do is stick the kids down here, call this like a playroom, and then keep the adults upstairs with the kitchen and the rest of the house. But we have a great kitchenette here, and it goes out to the deck area. We're gonna go out there next. So in this downstairs area, we have another nice big bedroom down here. And of course, this house is all about the windows. Look at this wave coming up through our window. Truly, truly beautiful. I wish you could smell it in here. It smells so fresh. That ocean air coming through the window is really nice. Again, we have more built-in storage. We have a beautiful closet. Let's take a look at the rest here. So this is a split level house. Ultimately, you can enter from the outside into the downstairs area. So this could be, split in two if you had two families visiting or wanted the kids to be down here away from the rest of the family. But however you want to split it up, we can split it up nicely. We have our fireplace, we have a little kitchenette and a fun game area. And let's go take a look out here, because this is really what luxury in the Central Coast of California is all about. I'm just going to be quiet for a second, listen to those waves coming through. We've got our pelicans, our seagulls. We just had a boat come by, which doesn't happen very often, but we're actually on a rock cliff as well. So yes, we're going to have these waves crashing up against our cliff all day, every day, but we shouldn't really have great erosion problems like we do in the southern part of Shell Beach, where the cliffs are more dirt and they erode away. So we're in good stable ground here. So we should be able to insure this house as well. So that's it. We flew above the house, showed you the neighborhood, showed you the yard here in Shell Beach, California. So this is our high-end, our $5.5 million house in Shell Beach or Pismo Beach, California. Shell Beach is a part of Pismo Beach. If you have any questions about real estate or moving or visiting to the Central Coast, just feel free to call, text, or email me anytime. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty, Central Coast.